Assalamualaikum. My name is Danish and my friend is Hakimi. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Danish Irfan bin Muhammad Amin. My metric number is 2024449024. I study course Diploma in Plantation Industry Management. Mm, Now we want to present about morphological and physiological of plant. Now I want to introduce about plant morphology. Morphology of plant is the science that studies various plant morphologies, namely parts, shapes, and also its function. Plant consists of three basic organs, namely roots, stem, and leaves. Plant morphology is about the external structure and physical form of the plant. This is part of plant. First, I want to talk about leaf. Leaf have a part mm, like apex margin, veins, midrib, base, petiole, axillary bud, and stipule. Flower have a part mm, like anther, filamen, stigma, style, ovary, ovule, petal, sepal, and receptacle. Mm, mm, f- Now about fruit part. Part of fruit is epicarp or azocarp, and then mesocarp and endocarp. Next about shoot. Shoot have a node, internode, and stem. And the last one about root. Part of root have a root cap, apical meristem, region of elongation, and region of maturation. Uh, that's all for me. Now I want to pass this slide for my friends. Thank you.
Thank you, Dinesh, for your presentation. Now I think it's my turn to present my presentation. So before I start, I want to say Assalamualaikum and good evening to you guys. Before I start my presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Muhammad Azri. My matrix number is 2024442032. I'm taking diplomas in plantation industry management. I'm born into September 2006. So, in my presentation, I will introduce about plant physiology, as you can see here. Plant physiology is a study of variation of plants at the molecular and a cellular level. And second is exploration of ecology, physiology, and biochemistry related aspects. And the third one is going to be the study of focus on the leaves, stem, and roots. So, the plant physiology have a transportation in the plant. So, what are the transportation? So, as you can see on the right, there's a picture that are xylem, which is in a green, and phloem in the yellow. So, xylem, which are the green one, transport solutes and water from the roots to the leaf using transpiration process. And for the phloem, which are the yellow one, Phloem transport amino acids and sugar throughout the plant part using the translocation process. So, in this transportation process, there are four things in it. So, what is it? So, the first one is the transpiration. As you can see, transpiration is the process where water evaporates from the leaf and resulting water being pulled from the roots to upward. So, transpiration have a fun facts. So, the fun fact is 90% of water that been absorbed from the plant got lost through transpiration. So, the next one is gonna be the translocation. Translocation is the movement of nutrients from the leaves throughout of the plant part, or a movement of food from the sources, which are the leaf, to the sink, to develop flower and fruits through the phloem vessel. Phloem is the tissue that nutrients move in it. So the next one is photosynthesis. I think you guys already know about photosynthesis, but I will explain it a little bit more. Photosynthesis is the process which sunlight are being used to change the carbon dioxide and water into sugar for plants to grow. Photosynthesis usually being done by green plants. Green pigment, which are the chlorophyll, will absorb the light energy, and then the light energy allow the production of sugar, which are the glucose, and this because of the reaction between carbon dioxide and water. And the number four is the cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a set of metabolic reactions and processes that take place in the cells of living organisms. It is a change biochemical energy from nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, or you can call it, the simple one is ATP. After the change, it will release a waste product, which is CO2 or carbon dioxide. They are used for development and cell division. So I think that's all. The conclusion for the for this slide is me and Danish are able to understand what are the morphology and physiology of plant are for. And to keep it simple, morphology explain about the outside or the external of the plant, while physiology explain more about the inside or the internal of the plant. Moreover, we realize that morphology and physiology supporting each other to be able to survive in the long run, to supply oxygen, reproduce, and providing food for living organisms. That's all from me and Danish. Thank you.